James Kendrick is an American poet and photographer. Life. Born in Warrington, which then was in Lancashire, on 7 November 1809. He was the son of the physician James Kendrick, 1771–1847. He graduated M.D. at Edinburgh on 1 August 1833, and then built up a large medical practice in Warrington. Kendrick frequently lectured on local topography and history. In 1853 he became a member of the British Archaeological Association. In 1859 he took charge of the antiquities in the Warrington Museum, and added to the collection. He forwarded the excavations at the Roman station at Wildispool, near Warrington, which, with Dr. Robson, he thought might be the Condate of Antonine. Kendrick died at Warrington 6 April 1882. Legacy. Kendrick gave the museum remains discovered at Wildispool. After his death, his daughter also handed over to the museum his collection of ecclesiastical and medieval seals, and his bequest of 100 volumes. He gave more than 300 books bearing a Warrington imprint to the public library. Works. Kendrick wrote the following books: An account of excavations made at the Moat Hill, Warrington, Liverpool, 1853. Profiles of Warrington worthies, Warrington, 1853. Second edit, 1854. Illustrated with silhouette likenesses. Account of the Loyal Warrington Volunteers of 1798. 1856. Guidebook to the Warrington Museum. 1872. Papers by Kendrick appeared in the publications of the Historic Society of Lancashire and Cheshire, Chester Archaeological Society, The Reliquary, and Warrington Guardian. A memoir of him in the Palatine Notebook. E. 113–16. 179–80. Gives a list of his writings, including contributions to newspapers and antiquarian periodicals. Family. Kendrick was married 3 times. Notes. Attribution. This article incorporates text from a publication now in the public domain. Lee, Sidney, ed. 1892. Kendrick, James. Dictionary of National Biography. 30. London. Smith, Elder & Co.